Hexadecimal addition. Hexadecimal means base 16 and the digits are from 0 to r minus 1, where r is radix or base. So the digits are from 0 to 15 in hexadecimal number. So 0 to 15 are represented as 0 to 9 and A to F. 0 to 9 and A to F. A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14 and F means 15. So let us see hexadecimal addition now. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 means 13. Okay, 13 is in hexadecimal number system. 13 means D. 13 means D. It is in hexadecimal number system. So write here. It is the answer. 13 means D. D is the answer. Okay. Second example, A plus B. A means 10. B means 11. So the value is 21. A plus B means 21. 21 is not a hexadecimal number. Okay. 21 is not there in hexadecimal number system. 21 is a decimal number. So we have to convert this 21 into hexadecimal number system by dividing with 16. 16 ones are 16. Okay. And remainder is 5. Okay. Simply we can do this like 21 minus 16. It is 5. How many times you are subtracting 16 from 21? Only one time. Okay. Write 1 here. That's what we got here. Right. So 5 is sum and 1 is carry. So 5 is sum with 1 as carry. So there is the answer. So 21 in decimal is equal to 15 in hexadecimal number system. Okay. Now 4 plus 3 means 7. 7 is in hexadecimal number system. So right here. 6 plus 7 means 13. 13 is in hexadecimal number system. 13 means D. Okay. So write D here. F plus 8. F means 15 plus 8 means 23. The answer is 23. 23 is not in hexadecimal number system. It is a decimal number. We have to convert this 23 into hexadecimal number system by dividing with 16. 16 ones are 16. Okay. The remainder is 7. We can do like this also. Subtract 16 from 23. The answer is 7. How many times you have subtracted 16 from 23? Only one time I have subtracted 16 from 23. So write 1 here. So this is the answer. 7 is sum and 1 is carry. So 7 is here, sum here, and 1 carry goes here. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. So 8. 8 is in hexadecimal number system. So write 8 here. This is the answer. Okay. Now let us move on to this problem. Fourth problem. 5FA plus 3B2 plus 61F. A means 10. Okay, 2 is here. F means 15. So the value is A means 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus F. 12 plus F. F means 15. Means 27. 27 is not in hexadecimal number system. So it is a decimal number. It is a decimal number. It's not an hexadecimal number system. So convert this 27 decimal number into hexadecimal number system. Means you have to divide by 16. Okay. So 16 ones are 16. Right? And the remainder is 4 plus 7, it's 11. Okay. Is it right or wrong? Did any mistake? No, it's right. Okay, 11 means B here. 16 ones are 16. So 27 minus 16. Okay, so 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 11 means B. 11 means B. Okay, B. How many times have subtracted 16 from 27? Only one time. So write 1 here. Okay, this is the answer. So B here and 1 here. B is sum and 1 is carry. Now F means 15, B means 11. So the value is 26, 27, 28. 28 is not in hexadecimal number system. It is a decimal number. So convert this 28 into hexadecimal number system by dividing it 16. Just now I told you one trick now. So subtract 16 from 28. The value is 2 here. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 1 means 1. 12. 12 means C. How many times I have subtracted 16 from 28? Only one time. So 1C is the answer. C is sum and 1 is carry. C is sum and 1 is carry here. So 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 means F. So FCB is the final answer.